Guys, कैसे हो? I hope everyone is doing great. I think it is day 3 here in Goa. It is Goa, it is not Maldives. The reason I've been saying Maldives is there's a particular reason for that. I'll tell you about that later. Anyways, our Goa is nothing short of an international destination, having amazing fun, one of our best trips ever. And once again, time is around 6:30 a.m. right now. I got up at 6 a.m. I'm trying to do this. Somehow, holidays when I come like this, I try to get up early. It's not I try, but it somehow happens. I can't sleep beyond 6:30, 7 o'clock. Pooja and Ash are still asleep just here at the beach, chilling, taking in that good vibe, feeling really good, positive. And oh yes, as usual, I'm listening to my deep house music. I like doing this sitting in front of the beach, especially in Goa. But then you can see that there's only one airpod, other one is missing. It is there in my pocket, I didn't lose it yet. Only problem is, only one is working as of now. I think Hyderabad जाने के बाद बहुत बड़ा खर्चा है हमको. I have to, no other way, I have to, I think, replace the complete airpod set. Because even the case is not working properly and one of the airpods is almost damaged. By the way, it looks like an overcast day today. So I'm expecting a couple of showers. When we saw yesterday's Google forecast, it showed that it is going to rain today. Only thing is, we planned some outdoor activities for Naisha. In case it rains, which I'm expecting, it shows 80% chances of rain. In case it rains, then we'll have to cancel that for Naisha. You see that side? A lot of dark clouds. Okay, back to the room and look who is up. Chor. See her. Lens में देखो. Do angry face. Do surprise. Sad face. Do smile face. ये तू और तेरा fake smile ना. Ignore. Plan is to take Naisha for 2 activities. One thing is I want to take her to this kids section where there are like a lot of toys, slides and all that. Second activity I want to do is take her to the swimming pool. We'll go to the swimming pool today. She doesn't like water much. I want her to get used to it. Let's see. Even I wanted to get into the swimming pool. Anyways, we have one full day over here and tomorrow, I think, tomorrow we're gonna leave. Naisha, tomorrow we're gonna go back home. Today though it doesn't even look like we're gonna get some nice time lapses. Everything is like an overcast. Chichi. So right now the plan is to finish breakfast. I'm having, should I show what am I having? Very dangerous. But then I'm also working out. So no issues. No issue to hai because the amount of calories I'm burning are definitely not equal to the calories I'm eating.
Yes.
This is mirchi, what I don't know what is this. There is mirchi inside vada pav.
It's a Maharashtra.
Weird. It seems it's in Maharashtra. It's like this. Pooja kind of eats healthy, mostly, but I'm not talking about my plate. See, Naisha is also. Right now we're planning to go to the kids' play area, but we can't just walk it down. As usual, we have to wait for the buggy. Oh, there it is coming. I see it. There is the kids area. Nice. So much of stuff to play. This is one thing I did not see in a lot of hotels, the kids area. Like lots of stuff to play. You like it, Naishu? Oh yes, the smile is coming out slowly.
She likes it. Mama!
Mama can't sit on it.
My weight is more than yours.
Mama can still sit. If Papa sits, na, it'll not break. It'll go under like 2-3 floors down. Started exploring. Good. Do it. Today is your day. Enjoy.
Mama wash karegi baad mein, no problem.
Nice slide. Shriman is vlogging. What should happen? Plane. There is a different. There are helicopters coming. If I go into the beach, there will be a ship. If I go into the water, there will be submarine. Nashi, you're matching. Chameleon जैसा mix हो गया इसमें. Green. Now as a creator, we take a lot of time to shoot, to edit. We do so much of hard work. Sometimes I take a bike, a two-wheeler, literally to the mountains, do all that risk. And we get little bit of good views, a decent amount of views. But nice, what are you watching? Literally some truck is going over some candy. She's watching such videos and that videos got like millions of views. 17-18 million views, dude. This is too much. People like you are supporting such content. What is there in that content, dude? She's enjoying. Now I understand why such content is a hit. Even kids are liking such content. Come on, I'll also put some candy and crush it with the BMW.
You call it Candy Crush.
Title will be Candy Crush with the BMW 1250 GSA. When will you start watching my videos? वो भी ads skip करती. Don't even watch my ads. How will we survive like this, Naisho? Please support small creators like us. Will you support me? No, it seems. I've taken a lot of risks in my life, a lot of dangers, but today we are taking next level risk by ordering food in the Taj. It's a big risk. So we are doing a little bit of kharcha. We are sharing the expenses. We have to, because when your food is like 1500, 1695 for vada pav, you need to split it.
I'll do for you, hubby. I'll do for you.
करना पड़ेगा. It is difficult.
करना पड़ेगा.
Otherwise, they're taking my checkbooks for food. Oh, by the way, portion size is good. We ordered chicken biryani yesterday afternoon. Food was nice actually. A lot of chicken was
अब
there.
इतने पैसे में तो देते ना रे.
I would definitely kill them if they gave me chota portion of chicken biryani after spending 1710 rupees. Every time they're getting the bill to sign, I'm like, kitna hua? On road price kitna? That is the most expensive biryani I've ever eaten in my life. Hyderabad में तो 1 week खा सकते हैं. एकदम खतरनाक बिरयानी. Anyways, all this is I think we are paying for the experience. Every time ऐसे किया तो check book लगा दो इल्लू नमुकोवाली. Now let's check if we can have
Stir fried cashew or
stir
black
fried cashew and use the accent. It's
Why?
expensive.
Just because it's expensive, you get
Yes,
accent.
you have to. We took the leap. Ring और अभी. इसको देख. She doesn't know. Hi, I'm calling from room number 520. We would like to order some food. Stir-fried chicken and cashew. Does it come with gravy?
Yes, sir. The stir fry is basically a gravy.
Okay. And is it enough for 2?
Yes, sir.
So is the chicken fried rice separate or is it included in
It's
the?
included in this.
What about the checkbook? Do I send it? From a couple of days from the day I came here, I wanted to give you guys a room tour, but that was not happening. Resort tour to last vlog mein you have seen. We'll start the room tour right now. Why are you sleeping? You have to be my camera woman today.
Oh.
Nancy,
Let
welcome.
her play, let her play.
No.
I should learn yes as well. Say yes. Yes bol. Yeah, nahi. Say it yes. Say it out. No.
No.
Huh? No to आराम से. Okay, come.
Hubby.
iPhone 11 Pro fell down.
You're going to throw it, I know.
I'm not going to throw it. I thought I'll give it to you first, but then OnePlus 6. Android user. Don't make the shift to the iPhone because once you shift to this, you will never go back. Take my word for it. These people will make you buy everything from the MacBook, AirPods to the watch.
So
You'll be in that nice
One
ecosystem.
second, who will make you buy? You will buy no for me.
Huh? Nice joke. Just like Taj.
Fake tha.
Okay, this is called the Garden Villa. This is the Taj Exotica Spa and Resort, Goa.
Benolin.
You open the door and say,
Hey, welcome to my house.
did you guys see MTV Cribs?
No, I don't watch it.
MTV Cribs mein they open the door and say, all the celebrities, welcome to my crib. You have to say that.
Welcome to my crib.
3, 2, 1.
Hey, welcome to my crib.
That is good. Okay, as soon as you enter, first thing you'll see is the fire exit plan.
Nice to be here.
Come inside, just insert the card, the fancy NFC card. The time till it now. Time until when you randomly want to put it, it will go. Now we want it for the shot, it's not going inside. I'm putting it everywhere else.
This is the dressing area.
Dressing area. You have extra pillows here.
Those are cushions,
We did
not
not
pillows.
use these till now.
Hi, cutie.
We're shooting, you wanna come? Oh, she's coming,
Okay,
she's coming.
go.
What is three?
ठीक है, पापा के पास जाओ. We're doing the
We'll
room.
explain, okay, about the room. As if Taj is sponsoring us nothing. So in case someone is watching,
Taj to be noted. Sriman
in case
Butaro
someone is watching
indirectly
from Taj management,
asked me.
we are open to sponsorships. We love doing sponsorships, especially for amazing brands like this. There are a lot of shelves over here. Usually the locker opens like this. This one, my wallet is there inside this. I forgot about it. You see this? It opens like this. Oh, nice. It's got a hydraulic, like car dicky. Wardrobe over here.
Yeah.
You have istri stand also. And this is Naisha's hiding place.
Yeah, she's hiding
keep
her leg
running
big
and
time.
she'll keep hiding
Yeah. Naishu?
See?
Bye.
Okay, don't shoot over here because they're all my undergarments.
Eee.
There's all the footwear area where you can store your chappal. You can store anything, but we put our chappal. We have to show our fancy shoes.
Yeah.
My new shoes.
That's the reason I call them Canadian.
Yes, size difference. This is called size 10.5 UK. Anyone interested to send me shoes like Nike shoes and all
Oh,
that? 10.5 is my number, UK. By the way, I wanted to give you guys my shoe collection vlog, right? I couldn't do that because of all of this trip. After I go back home, I'll definitely do that vlog, a shoe collection vlog. How many shoes do I have?
I've lost count. I thought I had more shoes, now you have more shoes.
Shoes correct.
ये क्या है? तुम तो गोल्ड वाइब्स है पूरा. चलो.
Now for my most favorite part of any hotel room, that is washroom. Ta da da da. Drum roll, please.
तुम ही करो वो.
Nice fancy doors.
Which
Time ko nahi.
Which
This
door
is
opens?
serious, man. This is too much. Why
Nigel, it's funny, you know.
doesn't this move at the right moment? It's seriously not moving. Now it moves. See that? Flop. Nice huge washroom and very clean washroom. You are disturbing my vlog. Okay, we have 2 sinks here. One for the king, one for the queen. Tissue box, hair cleanser which is shampoo. If you want to sell anything for more price, you have to name it like this, hair cleanser, instead of saying shampoo. Next, you have separate compartments so that you can hide and do your potty stuff.
Really? Wow, that was so important.
That is the most important.
Acha. Okay. For you, the yes. Every time he has 14 check, he runs to the washroom.
This is fake. This is 200% fake.
No, it is right. Guys, please listen. Every time he has his protein shake, he runs to the
Oh yeah,
washroom.
correct, right. Have a protein shake and run.
Yeah,
right?
he runs. He don't know. He
This
says,
is
how
the
cute.
shower area. మంచి షోకేస్లో పెట్టారు మనుషుల్ని. Oh yes, and the most important thing, this one.
This I like, which I'm going
This
to
is
use
something
tonight.
that we usually don't get anywhere. You need to go to very nice fancy hotels to get a tub. Usually, at least 3-star and above. At least. This looks nice. I think tonight
I'm going to push you in this.
I'm going to use this.
Ho.
What else?
Me first.
Hey, one thing is missing in this washroom: the wardrobe. See, the bathrobe.
Exactly. I was
Huh?
like, bathrobe. I asked
Bathrobe
you
is
for it when I
missing.
came.
Main room, the main living room, or this is the living part. This is the bed. You have a huge mirror over here. मेरे से भी लंबा है.
हाँ.
iPhone 11 is pakka going. And you laugh.
And now
right?
Papa is crazy, you know.
Next, you have the coffee area. One of the most
I
important.
like the
for me.
cupboard. It's kind of nice.
What do you call ethnic, right? It looks ethnic, Indian style. Never scan this, okay? Please don't scan this stuff. This is super expensive stuff here. You have nice coffee stuff over here. Sugar, white sugar. Sugar free Shriman Kota Ruka.
What a big joke. Who's
English-
eating 10 donuts a day?
English breakfast tea, original tea, masala chai, and the most fancy, like I told you on the first day, green tea
Which I'll
immune.
have soon.
We have a fridge, again opens like this. It's got a lot of milk.
Naishu, क्या हुआ बेटा?
Milk
Choco cake.
concentrators. Oh, I opened the coffee place, so she thinks I'm making coffee.
Naishu, cocky.
I'm not making coffee. What is it?
Cocky.
Okay.
Cocky.
Your dialogue has become very famous, you know that?
Naishu,
We are not making it. We have Pepsi as well, which obviously I'm not having. It's too unhealthy, bro. Beautiful bed over there. One
Yeah,
of
it's
the
quite
best
nice.
things about Taj or any 5-star hotel.
It's an
is the
amazingly
bed.
comfortable bed. Really.
Yes. You don't stand up. And then you have a nice sofa over here where Naisha is relaxing all the time.
10 on 10. Bed is amazing.
Bed is 10 on 10, definitely.
It's really
and this
nice.
time I'm definitely stealing one. You have place in your suitcase? I'm going to steal one.
Sorry.
Even though I put it on my blog that I wanted a nice pillow, none of my subscribers were able to help. Lot of subscribers, I know you people work in 5-star hotels, but you're not helping me. I want one
Because
pillow
they
like
know,
this.
because
right?
they know to pillow ko palo bana deta. You know what he does to it? Just show them what you do.
I just crumple it like this.
He
and
makes
leave
it like
so
a
nice and
he makes
fluffy.
it like a dhobi ka wo
What?
guard. They
Chill,
know you
let's
do all
see
this.
what brand is this.
क्या
Let's
क्या
pick it
फर्क है? तू पालो बना देगा पिल्लो.
up. The secret trademark है.
Our lunch is here.
Our
Go
lunch
get
is
it.
here. One second, let's get the lunch.
You want me? I hope he's comfortable.
Most expensive lunch we ordered.
I hope he's comfortable with it. Do ask him.
Doesn't matter. Hey, come in.
I'm sorry on camera. Is it okay? Yeah, come. Come. And he's got our lunch. Thank you. Just keep it away from this kid. Put it on the table, please. Sure. Move your laptop, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Thank you.
Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye.
In case you don't have plates, extra plates, if you need, you can take it from here.
Oh God.
No, that is decoration, interior design, okay? And we have a nice shiny
That's a
couch here.
very comfortable.
Very comfortable. And then the most important.
Stream and by
the
the
most important. We have a nice exit, a nice lawn over here.
Yeah,
टाइम को क्यों नहीं खुलता रे ये फ्लॉप करता. This is why it is called the garden view. This is where we have our coffee and this is the garden area. And there's a nice pond over here. Yeah, the funny part is when you go and stand there, all the fish come and flock to you.
because they think you're giving
Come
food.
here, I'll show you. See, come fast, fast. See, they all came. Did you show that? You missed it. So I thought this is a pretty expensive place. I mean, this particular room is pretty expensive, but it seems this is like a budget room. Better rooms available.
Yeah.
In case you wanted a coupon code, you can use my coupon code Sriman Taj and get flat. Just kidding. So let's have the most expensive food right now. Hopefully, when we eat, we take out some dollars. Careful, okay? Each rice grain is like 20 rupees.
अभी टच नहीं करना, बहुत हॉट
I'll be
है.
here, you get it. मिल लगा slowly. No. Price line ra babu, 8 and 10 rupees for fried rice. I'm just joking for the camera. Once we decided to eat, we are eating happily. I say camera pe acting kar raha bas. Okay, one last time we are going to the beach. Tomorrow we are checking out of Goa. I'm asking Pooja, actually we can extend our trip. Not, of course, not in this place. Budget nahi hai. I said we'll go to North Goa, Candolim and all that. But then Pooja is like, I have to go back to work.
Yes.
So yeah, we're going back. We're going to the beach now, and I just saw something interesting. Pooja pointed out this. You see this bunch of crotons here? This was not there today morning. How did this come? They planted it.
This is a sting. They just stick it to the
I think they just got it and put it like that. Even those crotons were not there.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Lot of different things happening here. We paid now, so they're putting crotons.
पैसा वसूल करना है ना तेरे.
Now Naisha is stuck to this game. He is very busy playing. Naisha, you like your sand toys? We'll put some sand in the house as well. In our lawn, she can play. Yeah, actually, good idea, right? We can put some sand on our lawn. Mein. She'll play with this. Full on busy. You can't disturb her now. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yesterday, actually, I corrected. I said Sriman is gonna correct some English for my audience. I was wrong. Someone told me in the comment section that it is salon. N is not silent. So just to confirm, I checked on Google as well. It is salon, but it is not saloon. It's salon.
That's what I told you.
N should be said. You need to pronounce N. One more question, a lot of people were asking me, do you need RT-PCR to enter Goa? As of date, at least in September, you need to have a RT-PCR negative certificate. So you need to show it at 3 points. We were asked at 3 points. One is Hyderabad airport. The second place they'll ask you is Goa airport. Just while exiting the airport, they'll ask you for RT-PCR negative. Third place they asked us is in the hotel. Checking in, they'll ask you for the RT-PCR once again. So 3 times they ask you. It is very strict. So in case you're traveling, you either need to carry RT-PCR test, or if you're vaccinated latest 15 days ago, fully vaccinated by the way, then you don't need RT-PCR. Chalo, let me go for a jog, then come back. So then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Cancel promotion. Chalo, then I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you know what to do. Naishu? Echi aaya. Idhar dekho thoda bolo.
Cake for you.
End karo vlog ko.
Why are you freezing, beta?
Lift it. Oh, kichi kar raha audience ko. Do hit subscribe, do like, do share, do comment. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Next vlog, I think we're traveling back home. No chance of staying back. Not here, but can't extend.
Next time. Come again.
Okay. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.